Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you the fuse box location. This video will apply to fourth generation of Renault Megane made from 2016. Now the main fuse box is located just under the steering wheel on the left side. It's very easy accessible. You just have to remove this small plastic cover. To do that, you just want to pull it down here towards yourself and move it away. On the back side of this cover you will have a small fuse diagram. You will have a fuse puller, this yellow piece which you can use to pull and check any of the fuses, and here you will have a couple of spare fuses. And just behind that cover you will have access to all of the fuses and the relays. So on this vehicle it's very easy accessible. Thank you for watching this very short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.